Hello friends, welcome back to One Batch, Two Batch Rips. And today we're going to start it off just a little bit different, with a little bit of an infomercial for you. And the reason being is that we opened a hobby box to start off this product, and we pulled these 4 refractors. And we're watching a lot of people open hobby boxes and pull refractors similar to these. When we finished our hobby box, we were like, it was okay. We got 5 numbered instead of 4 numbered, but there really wasn't a case hit level card in there, so we just considered it okay. So, after some research, as you can see on this electro refractor, there are lightning bolts around him. Of Psylocke, there are no lightning bolts around her. So, there's a regular refractor that is 1 out of every 2 packs, and there's a Storm Lightning refractor that is 1 out of every 3 packs, only available in hobby. So that changes, actually, what we pulled from our hobby box. This is a Storm Lightning refractor, Mr. Sinister out of 75, that is 1 out of every 47 packs, and this is a Black Cat Storm Lightning refractor that is 1 out of every 70 packs. So our little hobby box actually did have what you could consider a case hit, because that's pretty close to 1 every 6 boxes, and there's 8 boxes in a case. So rather than just do this as a separate video to explain the lightning refractor from the regular refractor, we are going to throw in 2 of the Marvel Topps Chrome plaster boxes, just for the heck of it, because we want to see what all the different products have. And personally, I'm hoping there is at least 1 Fanfare card. But I've seen some cool stuff pulled out of these in other people's videos, so hopefully we'll get something good. But we got 1 batch, 2 batch coming at you.
All right, guys. Let me just say, I think my batch is going to be the best because I have the cooked box. His box is also a little cooked, but we'll see. All right. Well, now we know who that is. My bad. Forgot how I opened it the last time. We have Deathlock on the refractor. Arcade. Night Moon. No, I'm kidding. Moon Knight. That's a cool card. And Athena. Actually, let's leave out some of these refractors, huh? Make it fun. Alright, next pack. Ooh!
Yeah, there you go.
The Elverine, bro!
Elverine Fanfare.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I was hoping for
That's
some
crazy.
Fanfare. Nice.
Let's go! That is awesome.
You're the best, Wolverine.
Oh, I forgot they're a little thicker. We have the Silver Surfer
Cool.
and Nova.
Only 3 cards because of the thicker one?
Because that one's thicker, yeah.
That's okay, I'll take
That's
it.
awesome.
I'd take that over a base card any day.
For real. He's doing that famous comic cover almost. Future Stars Penny Parker. Okay, normally I hate the Future Star inserts, but I understand why they do them, and I actually like how these ones look, so I'm not too mad about that. The Grandmaster. Oh, he's terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. We have Ironheart and Doctor Strange. That's a really cool card, actually. I like it.
All right, bye-bye.
Next pack. All right. Ooh, that's really cool.
Wave Refractor.
Angela.
Okay.
I love that card,
Those are
actually. That's
exclusive to the
beautiful.
blaster boxes.
Yes. It's beautiful artwork. She-Venom. We got Nimrod. Amaranth. I probably butchered that, but that's okay. Next pack. I'm glad we got that fanfare. Fanfare. I love them things.
Hopefully that's not the only
Sure.
thing we get out of there.
Right? You got Shuri with wings. That's really cool. Eternity. It's actually a
card.
really cool card, and I don't even know who that is.
It's like something out of Doctor Strange.
Right? Spider-Ham. Beta Ray Bill.
Nice. We've definitely gotten some different characters than we did out of the hobby box. So.
Oh yeah. Which is good, which is good. Spider-Man 2099. That's so cool. Vulcan. Kate Bishop. And Iron Man. That's cool. Did we get Iron Man? I don't think so.
Truth is, I am Iron Man.
Classic Iron Man.
Right? And I like him. We'll put him out there just because. Why not? Ooh. We got Doom. That's so beautiful.
Cool. It's a very cool Fantastic Four card.
Right? This is the one that I wanted, actually. Of the ones that I've seen, that one was the coolest. We got Silk. Hellgate. And Gamora. Gamora card's cool. Alright. Last pack. Last pack.
Look for a numbered card or something.
Ooh!
Kingpin of the Ray Wave.
For this city.
Yeah, this card's even more terrifying in person. Like that card's terrifying to me. We got Scorpion. We got Vision. And Ghost Spider. Interesting. Well, I'm pretty happy with the Fanfare. And I really like the 65 Fantastic Years. Well, that was my batch. Let's see what's in batch 2.
All right, here we go with batch 2. The Helverine Fanfare, definitely the premier card of batch 1 in my opinion. There were some good cards. Unfortunately, nothing numbered or anything like that. We're going to start off with a Rhino Refractor.
We got a sketch of him.
We got Forge.
Forge. That card is awesome.
We got Revelation. And we got Blink.
Link.
Yeah, the Forge card is sick. Pack number 2. We got
Ooh.
Beyond the Maker. Venom Mouse. Really cool Scarlet Witch.
Ooh.
And Sunspot. Meanwhile, Magic, Rasputin 4, Hercules, and Electro. I hate how the cards are all different ways.
I hate it too.
It drives me nuts. But it is what it is. Still beautiful cards. And our first rewave here is Enchantress. We got Spider Girl, Kingpin again,
For this city.
Cosmic Ghost Rider. That's a cool card. Continuing right along. Still hoping for some big pull out of these. Everybody else got big pulls out of these. I'm a little bummed that we haven't seen one yet. And we're still not going to get one. We got Silver Sable on the Refractor. Mutina. War Machine. And Silence.
Silence.
Yeah, don't know who Silence is.
Alright.
You got
Here's the thing.
the thing.
It's clobber time!
What you mean?
We got
ugh?
Long Shot. Tigra.
Cheetah?
I think this one is upside down. So Omega Red.
Hey.
Cool card right there.
Or
We got 2 to go. We got Silver Surfer
oh,
on
cool.
the Fantastic Years card. Scarlet Spider. Abomination. And Hollow's Eve.
Who?
Exactly.
We got a lot of spiders and venoms in these.
Last pack. The most value you're getting out of this pack is my explanation of the lightning refractors, unless
Bruh.
this brings... No, that was expected. Scarlet Spider Wave. Unfortunately, that's going to do it for Magic Lady Henrietta
Henrietta?
and Maestro. No numbered. No real special hard pulls out of here. We did get one Fanfare card,
Yeah.
which is actually the best thing we pulled out of both boxes. I won all the Fanfare cards. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. You found it informational. Please like, please subscribe. Just a quick one here. We got another hobby box coming in the near future. Thank you, friends. Goodbye.